Hi, this is Chef David Ash with Zinc Food Service. Thanks very much for joining us. Today we're going to tackle the new COVID craze, Dalgona coffee, which comes from Korea and is all over the internet blowing up. And surprisingly, it's super simple to make. You can make it at home with some very simple ingredients you may even have in your house already. All we have is we've got some instant coffee, we've got sugar, and we've got our water that's heating up right now. You can throw it in your microwave, get it boiling up on the stove. And this is one that we made almost 2 hours ago. It's just been sitting out at room temperature, and as you can see, it still has perfect consistency. So we're going to use the Vitamix here. We're going to go on number 4 here, and it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. And of course, it's subjective on the consistency that you want. We're going to be putting it over milk today. You can put it over hot coffee if you'd like. Some people like to put ice in their milk. Me personally, I'm going to leave the milk as is, and then we're going to spoon it over. We've got our hot water, and just FYI, everything has been cleaned, everything's been sanitized. Our producer Sam is social distancing herself behind the camera, so we're all set there. So we're just going to go with some sugar, equal parts everything, equal parts sugar, equal parts water, and equal parts instant coffee. So we got our sugar ready, get our instant coffee grinds. Alrighty, just gonna go straight in with that. Sugar, coffee, some hot water. Make sure we get our lid on nice and tight. There we go. And we'll just let that go. Alrighty, so now we've got our desired consistency. Just gonna stop that, take our lid off, come right over here to our milk and our chilled glass. And slowly but surely, and there you are, folks. Hopefully all you folks at home have stayed safe, and hopefully things get back to normal soon. Cheers.